Okay, play with
Ryan.
radio, boys.
They have Ryan,
Stay here
Eva,
for next
Brick.
trip.
They go Anna goats. Anna goats.
And it goes. Okay, okay, so we've got nothing to eat the nade, which kind of sucks. Yeah, we don't have anything to eat the nade.
Okay, tell us when you're hacked, alright?
Make sure we're hacking into the Rhino and the Diva.
Hacking.
Ready?
Now.
Who?
Diva hacks. Diva hacks.
Fuck, one HP, heal.
Anna no sleep. Anna no sleep.
Bubbling two.
Ryan Discord. Ryan Discord.
No, focus around. They're down.
Ryan half. Ryan half. Ryan one. Nice.
Ryan,
Zarya personal.
Sorry.
Zarya one running away. Zarya one. Nice.
Okay, we're not.
Lucio next.
Okay, shot, go farm your EMP. Go farm your EMP, then we use it next fight, okay?
Yeah.
I have a grab.
Use them separately, don't use them 10 times. That's 2 fight winning ultimates to use in 1 fight, which is a good idea.
Okay, plan. Like, do a EMP next fight? Like, early?
Yes.
Do when they just when they engage.
Yeah.
Yep, so when they're like here.
Okay, you guys ready? They're going right side?
They're going left side then.
Left side. Blind Discord.
Go.
Blind Discord.
Focus around, go diva. Nice, go break. Nice, chase. Lucius gonna coming out.
Lucio top, Lucio.
They have an honor.
Zarya's hacked.
Okay, back out, okay, back.
Back.
They have an honor boost.
Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna use grab, and then if they use their beat, I'm gonna Shasta into it so they stay in the same place, okay?
Yep.
It's good. I've jinxed it now. Okay, Shock, where are they going?
Your left side.
Left side.
Okay, left side. Okay, I'm waiting, ready for grab.
Grab it.
What? I have a shield up! Keep me alive.
Diva discorded.
Diva D-Mac. Zarya main.
boys.
Wait, stagger the baby. Oh wait, he's dead.
I caught him in the shadow.
That was big.
Okay, they used
this
drop.
one.
Yeah, that was really good.
Drop and Shadow for that fight, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's
We need to farm EMP quickly now.
Yeah, just farm it now.
Yeah.
I mean, there goes. What? They can't do anything to you. You don't even need the cloak. Wait, we should hold this height on by default.
Try to
right
get
side.
They're going right
Okay,
side.
stop getting pain, throw it.
They're speeding right side,
We need that EMP.
Or the hack.
Hey, maybe left side. They're left side.
They're gonna grab
EMP ready?
They have no bubbles.
Bomb from Robert.
I got shadow.
Can EMP this?
That's a magic.
I got win this, focus around.
Sorry, though.
Focus around. Go break, nice.
Diva one main.
Even on one, but hold.
We win this.
Diva's one main. You can kill her.
There's W, boys.
Lucio won?
Yo, the snipe.
Back.
One more fight.
We have a grab.
Aggressive grab.
Yeah.
I'll try to hack the Diva, but assume I don't. Just play safe.
Well, you can just hide and pop around the corner. Show them anything. This is good. This is going really good. 5 seconds.
Oh, we full hold, boys.
I've not got another shadow.
They're going top right.
They have another
Yeah,
shot.
they're going top right. Top
Okay,
left.
use rally or grab as well, just so we just for the save life.
Yeah. I think they might come from behind.
Yeah, they're coming from behind.
They go behind. Jesse,
Rotate around.
We hold them here. This.
No, meet them with
Why not Discord?
Ready?
Coming.
Nice, focus around.
Ryan hacked.
Right hand, break.
Call targets.
Bring.
Get target.
Diva Discord.
Yo, big.
Nice.
Brig next. Brig one.
They've got a ball coming back. Coming up on slam. 3, 2, 1,
Sorry.
Lucio.
Ball.
Lucio Discord.
Okay, nice.
Yo, emo.
Good.
Oh,
I had another grab.
That was a great round, boys. Well played.
Is sick.
Score 0-0. Switching sides.
IDK. What happens if we draw here?
No, that's true. Because if we win the third map, it's 1-1 and draw. Tournament breaks.
I think it should go to third now. Right.
What do we think?
Goats.
Goats.
Because we only need to win 1 fight. So Ooh, actually.
That's not
Okay.
great. That's
Okay.
a black map.
Listen. Yeah, I need. Okay. Yeah.
But it has shield bash. It's okay.
Okay. Listen. Do we go for the somber goats to build up the MP to win the fight with the MP, or do we go for the regular goats and build up the Diva Bomb?
I would
Yeah,
go
yeah,
Sombra.
yeah.
How about we just go
Easy one,
Genji Sombra and just fucking EMP Nanoblade them?
I would say
to
EP
win.
Nanoblade.
For sure.
I would say Sombra goats, guys. We know we're good at goats. We've run it really
Okay,
well.
fair enough. Fair enough.
Somber goats.
Let's
Oh,
go.
that defense felt so good.
Yeah, dude. Oh, my bottoms are tingling, boys.
I'm just so happy that the diva didn't randomly spam.
I'm just happy I didn't completely throw because I'm cold.
Yeah, their Diva
I
didn't.
thought you said you were hot.
Well,
guys, man's not hot.
Yeah,
Everybody hack things to get warm.
I landed that one big
Over
shadow,
here.
and then I landed that one big shadow, and then one got slept out, and the other one just went straight.
Quick question. Tell me what side you will push the point, so I know where to rotate
I
to.
think
to
I think
hack.
left side. I think left side, because then
Yeah.
you get a free right side, and it also means you can pop.
We don't want to take any poke damage, so through the room on the left I would go, and then up the stairs.
I think just left side and meet the point.
They are left side of the point with the bunker.
Okay, okay, just build up the MP and we win it like that.
Should we go back and swap to dive? They've got bunker. We could go back Sombra Genji dive.
Yeah, they have the best.
I think just okay, build up the MP and win it like that. Okay, push up a little bit. They're not running. They're not running action.
We have to rotate them, dude.
Anything else?
We have a house I need.
Okay, go right. Go right.
Wait for heals, wait for heals.
Wait for heals. Wait for heals. Wait for
Be
recharge.
patient, guys. We have all the time.
Okay, roll here.
Okay.
Okay, left side 3, 2, 1.
I'd say wait for a hack.
Speed on the right.
Speeding up, speeding up, speeding up.
Fuck the reason. Another shot.
On Discord.
Rush one. Nice.
Nice feet. I'll make
Hanzo in there, all in the spawn. Hanzo in spawn.
Get the fucking lamp, dude.
It's full winnable. No, it's not. Okay. But I'm
I died early.
Yeah, we regroup quick, and then we get the fast
we've got
response.
yeah, we've got Shadow and we've got Trance coming up to fight.
Do we want to wait for my EMP or for Shadow or not?
Yeah, wait, I would say wait.
Wait, no, because but I could just walk. They're not running around. I can just walk through.
Yeah, go on. Just do it. Then.
Just do it then.
Just do it for it.
Do it for
Yeah.
it.
Just what are you talking about it for?
Okay.
Okay, left side. Yeah, fuck the wall. Okay. Speed 3, 2, 1, now. They're all down. Fuck down.
I'm dead. Rush one.
They have a cup.
I got one shot.
They have
Hanzo's
cup.
on point. Hocus ult.
No, fuck.
Anna's low.
They have Turbine out.
Okay, you're down. Okay, Nick, you're all down. Oh, fuck.
They're just focusing me down, I think.
That's okay, guys. 2 minutes. We got
Okay, what do
loads
they
of
use?
time.
They use Dragon, they use Nano, and they use Whole Hog, I want to say?
I think I didn't see whole hog, but I thought I saw Orisa ult.
Okay, guys, listen. Let's go left side, then we go up the stairs left side, then we drop down on them, and we do it quick before they have time to reposition. What do you think?
Wait, say it again?
We go left side, and we go up the stairs, so they can't rotate us. They don't have the range on us then.
Very nearly
yeah.
got points.
Okay, left side.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna speed boost the left side. Okay, 3,
Okay, ready?
2, 1, go. Speed boost left side. Go, left side. Go inside stairs. Stairs. Nice.
Wait for Matrix.
Upstairs?
Wait for Matrix.
Upstairs.
Wait.
Get some heals.
Okay. Oh, no, wait that out as well. Wait that out as well. They can't get
Low,
you
watch
just
out.
wait.
Can you stay alive, Brick? Yes, you're
Hockey's
okay.
on high ground.
Okay, no! Fuck.
So what do we do?
I think we can.
shit.
I think we just wait. I think we just wait it out.
Well, they
What's their position?
they can
Hawk on the high ground, Hanzo opposite side of the point, rest of them are on point. Anna and
Think we
Hanzo
just wait
are
till
far
Bert
away
is
from you
close,
guys,
and then we're going.
Hawk on the high
Okay,
ground,
shh.
full speed bunker.
wait for Jesse. Jesse, you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, we're gonna EMP and then we're gonna speed, okay?
Okay, we can't wait. Or can
Yeah,
we
just-
wait?
yeah,
they're
just
spawn
go, I
camping Jesse, dude, we can't wait, we have to do something.
Do we go or do...
Just go in
go.
the U-turns, I think. We've got
Big
one
countdown.
point.
Okay,
Oh.
count down from me,
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Everyone press Q.
Kill him.
What's that? Huge fans.
I've been pushed up point by whole hog.
Okay, can we grab?
No, I don't have.
Where's the hack?
Wait, orb behind.
Kill top.
Into the right.
Hanzo.
Where are my shorts?
Hog, targets. Hog.
Hanzo one.
Hawk hacked.
Big hack, Hawk dead.
Nice.
Big Phoenix!
Win these boys!
Big Phoenix! Big Phoenix!
Huge.
Fucking hell, boys, that was big at the end there.
Big clutch, boys.
Did I play the game?
Play of the game.
Never
Oh,
mind. Don't even.
Big
I'm sorry.
fan.
What was that? I'm sorry. What was that, Phoenix?
Mate, I still say I popped up at the end. I don't care.
Oh, that was
about play.
big.
Yeah, that was the boop. That was the boop that won that. The guy that shot man.
Yeah, the boop, dude, it was huge.
And then look at the baby. Bye.
That was like 2.5 yeets.
Dude.
Okay,
Dude, I only kill people in headshot.
everybody,
What the fuck?
do your monkey impression and fucking. We're
Yeah.
alphas. We're gonna fuck
Oh, we
these
got
kids.
Busan.
One more map. I've hurt my chest. One more.
We're alphas, boys! Let's go!
One more map.
Alright.
Okay, take a minute to recollect yourself, boys.
I swear I've never played Busan before.
Yo, we'll see, boys. We just wing it. That's what we always do.
Yeah, so I think the Sombra Yokes, that they literally had no answer.
Wait, if Resmi wins, we go 1 round of Helios? No!
What?
It's over.
Ah,
Yeah, aren't we 2-1 up now? It's best of 3.
It's 1-1.
It's 1-1.
Don't
That's
flood the
one.
chat, let the mods type it.
everyone type it. Show that anger. Okay, okay. it's like-
Oh, Skylake is just dumb. Okay.
It's why.
Oh, that's so good. They were arguing for it as well against it.
No, it's Asian hosted.
Asian host.
That's their
Right,
name.
collect, don't get cocky now, boys.
Alright, let's
Take
go.
this just serious as the
Don't
last
forget to
one.
record if you want to record.
To Busan.
Yep.
Great
Thanks for the
show.
reminder, by the way.
I forgot to stop recording the last map. Okay, you're gonna hear
Yeah, I
all
just
of that.
realized I was recording the whole time.
I haven't been recording just so I don't fuck up. Just so like.
Radiator?
Okay, Sanctuary. They literally had no answer to it, so I think I'll use that until they find an answer.
Honestly,
Like,
their
that's what
hog,
bunker.
their hog did a good job of just trying to actively search for me. Like they adapted pretty well.
Yeah, but in a goats versus goats matchup, which is what a lot of Busan is.
Yeah, if they run a Roadhog here, they're gonna like walk over by you. It's insane.
But also if they're running Road here, that means they're
That's the daddy of the characters
what
to play, Jesse.
What? It's almost the same thing, right?
That's
Yeah,
a
they're
funny
both
looking break.
Swedish. Yeah.
You have a stun?
That's
right?
racist, dude.
Opposite lane?
I don't have a
like darkness or something? Or is
What
that
are you calling me, Bridget? What the fuck?
No, I'm calling you Torp, old man.
Oh, okay, you wanna fight?
Hey,
Wanna
actually,
fight?
guys, never mind. Actually.
You wanna fucking
If Ghost doesn't work, we can swap to the Fire Mercy comp.
Mhm.
Because Mercy.
Yeah, they haven't run any hit scan except they ran Bunker and Goats. They haven't run any hit scan. Maybe a Hanzo.
We
Like,
run
they-
Goats.
Our triple DPS would work well
Good luck,
against it.
boys. Don't throw.
Okay, we go left side.
4.
Oh, don't throw. Alright.
Jesse, don't throw. Thank you.
Oh fuck. Okay, sorry, my bad.
Okay, we go right side. We go right
Right
side.
side,
we
right
go
side,
right
right
side.
side. Okay.
Okay, Shock. Make sure you either hack the right. Yes,
Right
yeah,
side, Jesse, right side.
Right side, Jesse, right side.
Right
Don't
side.
throw.
Okay, I guess to go main. We go main.
They're also right. They're also right sides. They also have a Sombra.
We're gonna make up for Jesse.
Me.
Yeah, they also have a Sombra.
Behind this guy,
Sorry,
behind
sorry,
this
hack, give me up. Focus right.
Kill him.
Right and right.
Kill him.
Kill the right. Nice, and he heals.
Sorry.
Focus right. He heals.
Die low.
Nice.
Big.
Go break.
Side.
Sombra's left side, Sombra's far left.
He heals again.
You've got orb.
Summer's live.
Where's TP2?
I don't know. It's true.
The Rhine is already like pushed up again.
Okay. We're not coming off on too many ults. Let's just use an aggressive rally.
Guys, I'm
There's
sorry.
Sombra is right left side with me.
Are they all on my
They're all
side?
left side, they're all high left.
Right.
That's right.
High right. My bad.
Okay, dude. I'm feeding, boys. Big feed.
Oh no, back all the way up.
They're all the way up.
We're basically got a lot.
Oh, back all the way up.
Sombra behind on me.
I'm behind.
You have to take her point. You have to take her
Just 4
point.
points out. 4 points out.
Farm ults.
Yeah, Mozo, what were you doing back there?
Yeah, let's just
Fall back.
let's just not talk about it.
Just stay with us. Don't.
I
try to
have
go.
run into this Sombra
The-
twice already. Just
The only
we
person
both
who can all their own
invest
missions,
and
Sombra.
we hit each other.
Beacon in place.
I
Okay,
need
I'll put
a
that
break. Jesse, stay right next to me, please.
Okay,
There's
they
Sombra's-
probably have.
Okay.
They probably have
probably-
Zarya and Ryan.
They didn't use any ult that fight, did they? They might have.
No.
No.
I think they've got
Zarya's right side. Their right side. The right side. All
Yeah,
in.
they're all right side.
Okay, let's go main. Drop main.
Jump on point.
Drop on main. 3, 2, 1. Now.
Yeah. Okay. Defend point. Defend
Okay,
point.
we hack the right.
Right hack. Right hack.
I'm hacked in backline. I'm
Break
hiding.
that.
I'm on you. I'm on you.
Right one. Right one.
Let's get point. Get 4 points out. 4 points out.
I'm hacked, man.
Then one.
Right.
Take your beat, Muzzo.
Don't
Right
eat grass.
one, right
Don't eat grass. Do not eat grass.
Lucio. Left side.
Lucio, left side one.
You come back.
Zarya one. Right side.
Someone behind.
Over a point.
Got
Nice.
him.
Nice. Okay, push up.
100% accuracy on
Okay,
those.
go.
They have EMP. I have EMP.
We go.
No, they used him.
No, they used MP. They used
Nice.
MP.
Click on. We're gonna go aggressive. Aggressive grab.
Yo, you Lucio split left side. Lucio split left side. Bro.
They can't see the grab.
Right hacked. Oh no, never mind.
If we, they go behind.
Zarya, no personal bubble.
I think we're back out of it here. Back out.
Oh no, I'm
Back up.
Okay,
Some
get ready to grab.
Yeah, I'm going to grab this corner. Grab it.
Alright.
I'll get EMP after this. You ready?
Big shot.
Yo, the boot boy.
No morals. We win.
Break. Go right. And he heals.
Oh,
Then that's
sorry.
ult. Zarya's grab.
Yeah, I saw him.
Come back on
Nice.
motion.
Zarya one.
Wasted.
Wait.
Yo.
No, it was
Someone
not.
transfer point.
Some wrong point.
Okay, right point. Win this.
Fuck.
Ball point.
Ball point. Ball this corner. Ball one.
Some run nearby. Lucio one.
Over a point.
Lucio, dude.
One's in. Someone.
One map. One round.
Boys, we're
Yeah,
right for
Monks, I
winning.
was recording your POV,
Who's
by
got
the
the
way.
summer goats? We got the
Nice.
summer goats.
Yeah, the grab feels bad, man.
We don't talk about it, we'll just look at it in the VOD and make fun of it.
Fucking idiot. Okay. I think that goes. Yeah.
could have used a little more time to get
Dive goats. Okay.
What about the? I think.
Oh, hell yeah.
Jesse and Widow here is a very good idea.
Okay. Let's go all out. Double sniper dive.
Let's go dive. Yeah.
Double sniper dive.
What? Do you want me on Anna then?
No, Zen Mercy.
Wait, double sniper?
Yeah, double sniper dive. Zen Mercy. Okay. So we haven't seen them run anything other than bunker and goats, as far as I know. So yeah, just abuse ranges. I'd imagine they're gonna run goats here.
Why don't we go cheap with it if we can go ghosts?
Because if they're not running goats.
Fair enough. Click something.
Oh my god.
No, they're mirrored. They're doing something.
They have a Hanzo or a Genji top right.
They have a Hanzo.
Okay. Passive dive. Wait for one of them. Focus monkey.
I'm sleeping on main, in our main, behind us.
Hands alone.
Widow main.
Come back, ready, red.
Yeah, no, I'm back after.
We retreat. We fall back.
Yeah, back up.
No, I didn't.
Okay, we didn't have a
I'm
plan
not dead.
until the plan happened. Watch out, Jesse.
I'm not
You're alone there. Did we dive the Ana or the Widow?
I would say.
I think because they have the positional advantage, we need to wait for them to jump into it.
Okay. So as soon as the monkey goes in, nail him
monkey
down.
them.
Okay, we're all here.
Yep.
I hear the D.Va other side. The D.Va's on this upper ledge here.
Okay. I'm headshot.
Where's the Widow?
Where are they? They're right to the back point. I'm on HP. Okay, loop right side. Go right side.
They have wall hacks.
They're positioned right at the back point.
Hanzo on me on high ground.
I'm outside.
You guys are.
Okay, one. They're not monkey. They're D.Va. Monkey down.
Rambling.
Hanzo one.
Widow's main. Watch out, muscle.
That's an F, dude. Bye bye.
We win this.
I can trans.
First one, got it.
No.
Don't.
D.Va. Dagger.
Widow on our high ground. Widow
Next
Hanzo
ult.
on our high
What ult do we use for next fight?
I have a dragon.
What's that?
Wait, never
She's not
mind.
there.
She disappeared.
Yeah, she backed
Magic
up.
trick.
I hear she's behind point. She's behind point. Okay, no, she died.
That's a good stagger.
Okay, let's go for a
Oh,
bomb.
they're focusing me. Oh.
Where?
They're from main.
Okay.
I'm just hiding.
Okay,
Hands on Discord.
I got knocked out. He heals.
Let's get you
I'm using walls here. I'm using walls.
Okay, wait for him to use bubble, then we use bomb, okay?
I need this.
Yeah. They're looping around, looping around.
We got right side.
I'm using dragon, using dragon. There's
Catch him, monkey diva.
Watch out
Just
for the
me.
dragon. Primating on me.
Oh no, I was only. Oh, I thought I'd get him primal. Okay, just stop one. Are they aggressive? Are they not coming in?
No, they're not coming in. They're not coming in.
They might be. Watch out. They're gonna go in. They're gonna go in. They name a monkey. They name a monkey.
Okay, I'm primaling in. We can just stall point out. Don't give it to him. Don't give it to
Oh, we
him.
can't, we
I'll
can't.
be there in a
We
second.
can't do
Dutch!
too short.
No, they have. Safe. Fall back. Okay, they
Come back now, Raider.
They use Diva Bomb, they use Monkey Ult. They think they use Visor, and they use Nano. So they have a Valk and a Dragon Strike.
Okay, we don't have any ults around. I can't primal initiative.
Katana.
Huge pick.
Huge pick.
I'm coming in.
Block the res.
Monkey and point with Hanzo. And Mercy.
Monkey taking 2 headshots.
Widow's main, Widow's main.
What is
I'm gonna
around?
trance early. I'm gonna trance.
Grab me, dragon.
Monkey in the bubble.
Would it make you fall back? Would it make
Hands
you fall
on
back?
point. Hands on.
Hands one. Nice.
Monkey low.
Monkey one.
Low. Diva.
Only Zen.
Right side, Widow. Right side, Widow. Right side behind point.
Mercy half. Mercy one. Mercy one.
With a point.
Touch, yes, it touched.
Come on, Jesse,
Go, dude.
Montage clip. Oh.
Dutch. Can we?
Yo, we're on points. Use clap.
Nice. Someone call target on the left. One call target.
Monkey disco.
Focus.
Oh my god.
And look up primal.
Doom now.
I didn't get far enough. Fuck me.
I'm primaling on point.
Pick Lucio.
Mercy one. I mean, Anna, sorry.
Touch.
Next
Okay.
round.
Master on goats. Whew. Okay.
Phoenix.
This is literally
You went
going all the way.
Zen in overtime.
Pardon?
I saw you walk back as Zen during overtime.
I didn't go Zen. I was Zen and I had 60% ult. So yeah.
Okay, so we got.
Do we go Megas or no?
Ooh, Megots.
No, do you want to swap us?
No, summer goats. I think summer goats because
Oh yeah, sorry.
we're more practiced on that. And it also means that I can't imagine Shock is a practice on May.
No, don't put me on me.
Hey, Shock, play Sombra though.
Yeah, Shocker and Sombra.
Shock Trooper.
Okay.
Nice, dude.
Alright then. Come on, this is literally all the way. We have to win this.
No pressure.
Right side. Okay, Shock, if you see a May, scream.
Like that.
Okay, right side, all the way right side. They're running brig. No, regular goats.
Regular goats.
Okay,
Anna goats. Ready? Ryan is attack.
Don't worry, Discord online.
Focus around.
Glance it.
And heal me.
Lovely
Not
forward.
all, but it's not enough.
Yo, help me.
Break.
Ryan one.
Give me out. I got shot. Give me out.
You have all, but that's all I can do.
Bigger. Okay, I think we need a diva because they have Anna.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Doctor and Diva.
Exactly.
Okay, so Phoenix, you're already these strats pretty fast. Good. Okay, so Shadow. Okay, so we've got Shadow, we've got Pete, we've got Shadow. Okay, we'll
I'd
hit.
go low. Go straight on point.
Yeah, do we just go point?
Yeah, but we're just going with Shock anyway. Okay,
Yeah.
stay bomb. Now go.
Okay, speeding now.
They know we're coming.
I'm gonna trance early in this
Way
fight.
out. I got Shadow. Focus around. Block Shadow.
Focus around.
That. Regroup.
Loud lad.
Just die. Jump off.
Goes up by stop calling.
I have a grab.
Okay, they use Graph, Shatter, and Beat.
We've nearly got Grav.
They use Nana as well.
They use Nano. Yeah, they use Nano. That's good.
We've got Grav and nearly, we've got beat and nearly rally.
And I can
Should be able
definitely.
to win this with just the grab.
Okay, just be aware of the ult they can use to respond to it.
They use bubble.
Okay, we'll hit. Push up. Okay, I'm waiting for grab.
Grab me.
I'm trying to.
What?
Run the balls, run the balls, run the balls. We're dead. The roll down.
D.Va D-Mac. Nice.
Baby.
Keep going. Go to point.
Sorry, point. Sorry, one point.
Sorry.
Anna point.
Sorry.
Heal me. I need help.
Anna one. Sorry one.
Right.
Farm Ryan.
Ryan.
Kill the Ryan. Nice, guys.
We have only bomb.
Okay,
That's
push
High
up.
ground, guys, high ground.
Mother can go faster than the Reinhardt. We're good. Okay, let's try and settle for a bomb.
Like, do I bomb in this room or when they push out?
When they push out, it's more open. And it also means we can split them up again.
I need to come to you guys.
Okay, they're coming in.
Do the bomb now.
Bomb now.
No, don't have it.
Leave it Discord. Don't
Left.
steal that.
Give me life.
Bomb it.
He's bomb. Kill the Ryan.
Help Ryan.
Down three. Kill the Ryan.
No!
I have a grab.
Go back.
I have a
Okay,
grab.
I think-
I rally.
Okay, listen. They might go somewhere else, okay?
Listen close. Yeah.
Shh. We're gonna capture funds.
They're going under, I think. No.
Yeah. No.
Under. Okay, break it. Okay.
Under.
Grab.
Grab.
Ryan Discord,
Right,
Ryan
nice.
Discord.
Send one.
Kill.
They reset.
Reset.
Okay, they only use grab, that's fine.
Okay, that was good.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
we now
just
got
traded
chance.
grabs.
Okay, aggressive rally.
I think
Come
they
on.
also use rally, right? They use rally?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
that-
okay.
They might go under
we're gonna
again.
We're gonna use an aggressive rally to go into them.
I'm gonna watch the point, okay? I'm gonna watch lower again.
Okay. I will check left side.
Left side.
Left side. No,
Rally.
Rally now. Sorry.
Zarya no personal. Zarya one.
I'm got break.
Move over right.
Ryan Discord.
Big shot.
Right.
Listen. Kill him. Oh,
Let's go!
We win.
Let's go! Final!
Radiator big carry, dude. Holy
I'm
shit.
actually
We got the
so
fat
mad.
shares
No,
every
such a-
fucking time.
You need to tell your profile, by the way.